Altruistic Animals. The concept of evolution has fascinated scientists and laypeople alike for centuries. It's a process that shapes not just the physical attributes of living beings, but also their behaviors and interactions. The core of evolution is survival and reproduction, ensuring the passage of genes from one generation to the next. Some traits, for example, height or a prehensile tail, may increase an organism's chances of survival and reproduction. This principle, one of the keystones in Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection, revolves around the concept of fitness. A trait with a higher likelihood of being passed on possesses greater fitness. Understanding the intricacies of traits, genes, and their environmental interactions reveals a crucial aspect. We are, in essence, survival machines designed to propagate our genes. This realization provides a profound understanding of life's purpose. Within this framework, children represent the next generation, carrying forward half of their parents' genetic blueprint. One of the most intriguing aspects of evolutionary biology is the concept of altruism, especially in extreme forms such as self-sacrifice. From an evolutionary standpoint, sacrificing one's life for another might seem counterintuitive, as it nullifies the individual's future reproductive potential. However, this apparent paradox is clarified through the perspective of kin selection and mathematical models such as W.D. Hamilton's equation. Hamilton's equation, which factors in the cost to the individual, the benefit to the recipient, and their genetic relatedness, provides a framework for understanding altruistic behaviors in evolutionary terms. For example, if an individual sacrifices themselves for a close relative, the loss of their own reproductive potential is offset by the preservation of shared genes. This concept is neatly encapsulated in J.B.S. Haldane's famous quip about being willing to lay down his life for 8 cousins or 2 brothers, illustrating the balance of genetic relatedness and sacrifice. The concept of reproductive potential also plays a crucial role in these decisions. Younger individuals with more reproductive years ahead are more valuable from an evolutionary perspective. Thus, parents are often biologically driven to prioritize their offspring over other relatives. This doesn't just apply to humans. Similar behaviors are observed across various social animals. For instance, meerkat guards risk their lives to protect their colonies. Vampire bats share food with less fortunate peers, and scrub jay chicks assist in rearing their siblings. These behaviors are examples of kin selection in action, where genes promoting altruistic behavior can spread through a population, enhancing the survival of related individuals. Understanding kin selection and its implications helps to unravel the evolution of complex human behaviors. While humans don't consciously calculate these genetic equations, our behaviors, emotions, and social structures have been shaped by evolutionary forces. Helping each other, especially those closely related to us, enhances our collective survival and ensures the continuity of our genes. This evolutionary perspective extends beyond mere survival. It explains why families form strong bonds and why parents are often willing to make immense sacrifices for their children. It's a testament to the fact that, at its core, evolution is not just about the survival of the fittest, but also about the nurturing of familial bonds and the continuation of life through generations. In this light, caring for one's family and the willingness to make sacrifices are not just social constructs, but deeply ingrained evolutionary strategies. As we delve deeper into this subject, we find that evolution and love are intertwined in a complex dance. The act of caring for one's family, the sacrifices parents make for their children, and the instinct to protect and nurture the next generation are all part of the evolutionary process. This blend of biology and emotion is what makes the study of evolution not just a scientific endeavor, but a journey into the heart of what it means to be a human. It is in this confluence of genes, survival, and love that we find the true essence of life and the continuity of our species. Evolution, as it weaves through the fabric of life, reveals a profound narrative. It's not solely a story of survival in the rawest sense, but a saga of enduring relationships and emotional connections. The instincts that drive us to safeguard and nurture our offspring, forge lasting bonds within families, and act selflessly for the welfare of kin are intricately tied to our evolutionary past. It's a narrative that extends beyond the mere survival of genes, encompassing a legacy of care, empathy, and interconnectedness that is quintessentially human.